If your Fire Stick is stuck on the loading screen, I will show you how to fix it step by step. Unplug your Fire Stick from the TV and from the power. Wait 60 seconds. Make sure your Fire Stick is plugged directly into a wall outlet, not the TV USB port. Using a wall outlet gives it enough power to fully start. Remove your Fire Stick from the HDMI port and plug it back in. If you have another HDMI port, try using that one. If you have the HDMI extender that came with the Fire Stick, use it. This helps prevent overheating and signal issues. Unplug and restart your television as well. Wait 30 seconds. Plug in and turn your television back on. Please subscribe for more Fire Stick fixes.